teach you how to do installations and the mechanics behind hanging installations. Now this can be one of the most challenging and intimidating things to do, but once you've got the tools for it and the know-how, it's actually really simple. And it's so beneficial to know how to do it for your business, because you can make so much money doing hanging installations if you know how to do it, and you don't have to hire an external team to do all the rigging for you. So I do actually hire people sometimes to do my hanging installations, and usually that's when the ceilings are so high and I don't have ladders and equipment to get up there. So in these cases, I will hire someone to do it for me. But most of the time, if I have a ladder that's tall enough, I'll do all the rigging myself and provide the structure as well that my florals will go onto. So yeah, it's really simple, and I think that you're going to find this super beneficial for your business. And on a side note, if you are going to be doing hanging installations, definitely get insurance for your business, so public liability insurance. You've probably already got it, which is awesome, but if you don't and you want to do hanging installations, definitely do it so that you're covered if something happens and it falls on someone's head or something like that. So let's get into it. I'm going to show you on my veranda how to do it, and I hope you enjoy. So let me show you firstly just some of the equipment that you'll need to do a hanging installation. So there's only a few things that you need to be able to rig something up. It's actually quite simple when you know how to do it. So let me just show you some of the equipment that you'll need. So you'll need wire rope. So this is stainless steel marine grade rope. It's about 2 millimeters thick, which is thick enough for this installation, but you can get a lot thicker as well. So definitely check with an expert about what kind of width you need when you're doing a hanging installation. Alright, the other thing that you need is these wire rope grips. So they look like this, these little metal grips, and you need a bundle of these to use. So for most installations, just for one installation, I use 4 of them. But they're really handy. I find them better than clamps. So a clamp is something that you have to sort of clamp together with these hard sort of pliers, and it requires a lot of strength. So these work perfectly because you just have to screw the little screws on and tighten the wire loops that way. And then of course I use a heap of cable ties, some wire cutters, and some skinny nose pliers. So I'll show you how I use these different things as I demonstrate the installation. And for the structure, what I'm doing is just using this bit of metal that I found in Bunnings. So what I like to do is just go to my local hardware store and just find anything that I think I can attach flowers to. And this one's really good because it's sturdy, but it's also got holes along it where we can sort of thread the wire rope through and secure it. So I've already put the first 2 ropes up just to save time, but let me show you what I did. And it's really important to do it in this order. So what I did first is I cut the rope with my pliers, and then I threaded the wire through the little arch on the wire grip, and then I threaded this bit of wire over the beam in the ceiling, and then I threaded it back through the same hole through that arch in the clamp. And so once you've done that, it's really secure, and then you just tighten these little bolts. So you tighten them with your skinny nose pliers. So let me show you. So you just use your skinny nose pliers just to twist I don't even know if these are called bolts. They're probably not. But anyway, there's this little metal thing on the end that you just need to tighten. So keep spinning it around until you feel the tension and you feel like it's really super strong. And to test it, you can just pull on this metal bit just to make sure that it doesn't slide through, but it's really firm. So I've got these two metal bits already wired up here. So I've wired them to the beams just like I demonstrated. And now we're going to attach the metal rod to them. So I'm going to use this chair again. So what we're going to do is just thread that through. Oh, and sorry. Again, it's really important to do it in this order. If that will stay there. So with your wire, thread the clamp, thread it through the clamp, and then thread it through your metal or your structure. And then thread it through your grip again. So it's really secure, and if you've got long bits like this, that's fine, you can just chop it off. So and just tighten it with your skinny nose pliers. It's always good to have two people doing this because someone can hold the structure while someone else is tightening it. Okay, so I've done this side and it's really secure. So now I'm just going to attach the other side as well, just by doing the same thing. So what I need to do is get the grip and put the grip up the wire first. So grip first in this order, then your structure. And it's just not going to be level because I have no way of getting down and checking this and I don't have anyone here. But basically clamp on the wire, then wire through the structure, and then wire again through the clamp. Sorry, I keep calling it a clamp when technically it's a grip, but grip, clamp, same thing. Okay, I'm just going to do the best I can with my eyes here, and I don't think the video is 100% straight anyway, so if this is lopsided a bit, please forgive me. And also, if it is just a little bit lopsided, you can always straighten it out with the way that you arrange the greenery on it. Alright, so again, then tightening the grip so that the rope is secure. So again, just tightening the grip until you feel the tension and that you can't sort of turn the metal bolt anymore. I think it's called a bolt. Then once it's tight, just chop off that bit of excess rope. Like that. Okay, I hope that's straight. Okay, now that we've got the structure up, it's super sturdy, I can pull on it and nothing happens. So there you have it, the mechanics behind a hanging installation. I hope that this was super helpful for you. And yeah, if you have any questions regarding it, or you want to know some more details about the different tools that I use, please message me. You can contact me on my website or through social media, or comment on this video below. Alright, thank you for watching, and I'll see you